In a world that constantly bombards us with sexual imagery, entertainment, and distractions, many people find themselves struggling to control their thoughts. Whether it's to improve focus, strengthen relationships, or align with personal or spiritual goals, learning to desexualize your brain can be a powerful step toward self-mastery. But how do you do it? Is it even possible? The answer is yes, and in this video, I'll show you how. First, let's understand what's happening in your brain. Sexual thoughts are natural. The brain releases dopamine, a pleasure chemical, when we engage in or even think about sexual activities. This is part of human biology. However, when these thoughts become obsessive or interfere with daily life, they can disrupt focus, relationships, and personal growth. The good news? You have control over your brain. It's not easy, but with discipline, you can rewire your thought patterns. The first step to desexualizing your brain is identifying what triggers these thoughts. Is it certain social media content, the movies or shows do you watch, conversations with certain people, loneliness or boredom? Keep a mental note, or better yet, write down what situations or habits lead to these thoughts. Once you identify the triggers, you can work on minimizing them. What you feed your brain influences how it thinks. If your media consumption is filled with suggestive content, your mind will reflect that. Start by unfollowing accounts that post provocative content, reducing exposure to movies or shows that overemphasize sex, choosing books, podcasts, and entertainment that stimulate intellectual or spiritual growth instead. The more intentional you are with your content choices, the less your mind will default to sexualized thinking. Your brain craves stimulation. If you remove one habit, you need to replace it with another. Channel your mental energy into productive activities. Exercise. Physical movement releases endorphins and reduces stress. Creative hobbies. Drawing, writing, or learning a new skill keeps your mind engaged. Deep work, focused study, or career-related tasks help rewire your brain toward productivity. Whenever you catch your mind wandering toward sexual thoughts, immediately redirect your attention to something meaningful. Mindfulness is one of the most powerful tools for mastering your thoughts. Whenever a sexual thought arises, don't panic or shame yourself. Instead, observe it neutrally. Ask yourself, why did this thought appear? What emotions am I feeling right now? Can I choose to let this thought pass without engaging with it? By becoming aware of your thoughts instead of acting on impulse, you train your brain to break the cycle. Ultimately, the key to desexualizing your brain is developing mental strength. This means setting clear goals for why you want to control your thoughts, staying disciplined even when temptations arise, understanding that self-mastery takes time, but every effort counts. The more you train your mind, the more natural it becomes to focus on what truly matters in your life. Mastering your thoughts isn't about suppressing who you are. It's about taking control of your mind so that you can live with clarity, purpose, and peace. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more content on self-improvement and mental discipline. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next video.